Seryoso ho ba kayo sa alok ninyo sa mga komunista to join your government? And I'm sure may mga tao pong hindi komportable dito po sa announcement nyo na ito.
Do you want to fight forever? Do you want to elect government after government after government, 20 governments in a row, and you want to fight to death? Is that what you want? Fighting the revolutionaries, Jessica, is not part of criminality activity. It is not even a punitive action against them. Why? Because it is fueled by an ideology. Unlike a criminal, kidnapper, rapist, one who steals or robs, he is motivated by criminal intent.